What do you think of when you think of a swing? Parks, swing sets, seats, playing? Well, I think of a swing as a singular thing that is intended to be used in a park or solely for children. The Red Swing Project in Austin, Texas, challenged what the concept of a swing could be used for and the meaning and the representation of the swing. They placed them into urban situations as well as natural situations that allowed them to create awareness for their cause and challenge what people thought of a swing being. These were used to activate a path and include them as rest stops and use them in areas that people would recognize. Whether the swing is implemented in the Kaw Riverfront Park areas with its industrial spaces or in a park, this swing could help the Jersey Creek corridor create a brand and path through the park where the community stakeholders have had a hard time finding a path and connection to the park previously. The vibrant color and useful whimsical action that everyone can recognize and make a connection to help the users of the park have a connection to the area and recognize what the park actually is. It's even as simple as hanging it under a small bridge in Jersey Creek. The Jersey Creek corridor would benefit greatly by utilizing this technique to create a connection between the community and the park while creating a path through the park that has previously been viewed as a destination instead of an intended experience amenity. We have selected 12 locations in the park that would help create a connection through the park that the park could use to help aid exploration and utilization of the area. The surrounding neighborhood associations such as Western Highland, London Heights, Douglas Sumner, and others will be given swings that are intended to be hung in the neighborhoods to create a connection not only through the park, but from the surrounding areas to the park as well. It will serve as a catalyst to encourage further exploration beyond the park. By using the momentum that this catalyst creates in the surrounding neighborhoods, it will then encourage further exploration beyond the park to the neighborhoods and to other parks in the area. In order to implement the swings in the park, the State Street Project Youth will construct the swings and paint them, and the Learn and Earn group will assist in distributing them to their appropriate recipients. In order to implement and build the swings, State Street Project Youth and Learn to Earn groups and others like it in the area will be able to follow a how-to video and see demonstrations on how the swings are built and how to hang them and how to implement them. This cost and time effective project engages the community and serves as a catalyst to connect the park and surrounding areas. This is an intergenerational project that is intended to improve blighted spaces and improve community health and wellness through more use of amenities in the park.